Ever wondered how to make the perfect English sourdough? This humble bread, with its tangy flavor and chewy texture, has been a staple in English households for centuries. Originating from the time when yeast was a luxury, this bread uses a fermented mix of flour and water, known as starter, to rise. Its rustic charm and versatility have made it a favorite across meals and occasions. Today, you will learn the step-by-step process of making this traditional bread at home. First things first, gather all the ingredients needed for the sourdough. You'll need strong white bread flour, whole wheat flour, and of course water. But the star of the show is our homemade sourdough starter. To create this, mix equal parts flour and water, and allow it to rest at room temperature. This concoction will capture wild yeast from the air, and will start to bubble and grow, creating a tangy, yeasty aroma. Over the next few days, you'll need to feed this starter with more flour and water. The process is simple. Discard half of the starter, then add fresh flour and water. This feeding ritual encourages the yeast to multiply and create more of those coveted sourdough flavors. After about 5 days, your starter should be active, bubbly, and ready to use. It's a bit of a waiting game, but trust me, the flavors are worth it. Once you have your starter ready, you are set to start the actual baking process. Now, we delve into the heart of the matter, the baking process. The journey begins with the starter, the soul of your sourdough. It's mixed with flour and water, creating a dough that's alive with yeasty potential. Kneading it is like a massage for the dough, allowing the gluten to stretch and relax. Then we let the dough rise. It's a slow, patient process, but it's where the magic happens. The dough doubles in size, becoming a fluffy pillow of potential deliciousness. Next comes the heat. The oven should be preheated to a cozy 230 degrees Celsius. The baking time is crucial, around 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know your bread is done when it has a beautiful golden crust and sounds hollow when tapped. And there you have it, your very own homemade English sourdough. So, to quickly recap the process, we've delved into English sourdough, covering everything from selecting top-notch ingredients to the precise steps of preparation and baking. Remember, the secret lies in paying attention to details. Using high-quality ingredients and giving your dough ample time to rise are key to achieving that perfect sourdough texture and flavor. Remember, making sourdough is an art. So don't be disheartened if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Practice makes perfect. Happy baking!